Hello everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny and the Junk Journal Ministry. Today I have another Brother Scan and Cut tip. And if you notice on this little birdie here, it left the little heart. So it didn't cut it out because there wasn't a line there. And I didn't notice that. This is the first time that it had scan. So if you look at the little birdie here, you can see that there's a white mark. So I am going to come in with my pencil. And when I scan this in, it will not cut the heart out separate. It'll just go ahead and go around. And then of course on my text, it will cut because I used the line there. So if you're having some issues with little bits like that, especially with digital items, having a little bit left, is because see there's white there. There's no black line. So with the Brother Scan and Cut, you have to make sure that the lines will show up. Now, normally on my digitals, I will use a black line, as you all, a cutaway line. On this one, I didn't do that as much because I didn't know if I was going to fussy cut these out or if I was going to scan and cut them. So just a quick tip if you have some that's left over or whatever. And then like these little tiny little stems here, I can take a green marker or a gel pen and go over those thicker because these are so tiny that it might actually, these will come off like when you pull it off. I'm having some come off, so I'm just gonna go in here and just real quickly see if this will help it, so that I won't lose some of my little beautiful flowers there. So I hope you enjoyed this tip. Have a great day and happy crafting.